In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a responsive video in a WordPress post. We'll take you through the process step by step, making it simple and straightforward, even if you're not a tech-savvy person. You'll have your video up and running in no time, keeping your website engaging and dynamic for your visitors. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to head over to the hosting platform where your desired video is located, such as YouTube. Once you're on the video page, it's crucial to locate the URL. This is typically found in the address bar at the top of your browser. Make sure to click on it and copy it carefully. This URL is essentially the address to your video that you'll be embedding on your WordPress site, so make sure it's correct. Now, to embed this video into your WordPress post or page, you'll want to open the WordPress editor. Once you're there, look for the plus icon, which is usually located at the top or within your content area to add a new block. Clicking this icon opens a whole world of options. In the search bar that pops up, type in YouTube, Vimeo, or simply video. This search will bring up a selection of block types. You can choose the one that corresponds to the platform your video is hosted on, but most of the time, the basic YouTube block does the trick unless you're using Vimeo or another service. Next, once you've chosen and inserted your block, you'll need that URL you copied earlier. Click inside the block and paste your video's URL directly there. It's designed to recognize and handle URLs with ease, making this step as simple as possible. After you've pasted the URL into the block, you'll see an option to embed. Go ahead and click on that. This action tells WordPress to take the URL and transform it into a fully functional video embed right inside your post. There's no further coding or additional settings needed, which is why this method is so effective and user-friendly. One of the great things about using this process is that WordPress automatically makes the video responsive. This means it adjusts to fit any screen size, whether someone is viewing it on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. It ensures a seamless experience for your website visitors, maintaining the look and feel of your page while delivering rich media content. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully embedded a responsive video into your WordPress post, making your content more interactive and visually appealing. As you can see, you don't need to be a web development expert to bring in some multimedia flair to your site. Now, why not go test it out yourself and see how videos can enhance your user engagement? Thanks for watching and happy embedding!